before, it was like brutal, dude. Mm. Let me know when I hop on how it sounds wherever. If you can, please. Let me test. Like I said, it was way worse before. Alright, I'm about to transition. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to day 2 of trading Asia session. Sorry about hopping up a little bit late. Had a little bit of technical difficulties. How am I sounding? Alright, but. Alright, but as long as there's no echo, that's what I really like. Cause the echo's what's bad. Let's see. Let's get started with tonight. Did you see did you see a coin and what do you call it? Coin and Palantir? Did you guys see how crazy ripped like that was like astronomical how it ripped. Coin ripped up disgustingly. I'll pull this up. Like coin destroyed the waters, bro. What? Yeah. Yup. Here, I'm gonna pull it up real quick too. I mean I played when it first ripped and they got what's it called? When they got bought up by what do you call it? Um when they acquired Discovery. I had to remember what it was. I posted it on my Twitter. Yeah, this thing ripped, bro. Look at this. Insane. Alright, I gotta get ready too on my end. You took your measurement of standard deviation, didn't you? Yeah, didn't you line it up? I thought you had it lined up for standard deviation. Oh, that it was a short. Okay, okay. Yeah, send me a quick picture. It'd be dope to see what you. Let me take a look. No worries, no worries. I'm waiting on you. I'm trying to post this real quick, but I can't. I'm like, dang. I'm trying to get it to work super quick. It's because I'm so late on it. I started like 20 minutes late on accident. All right, just got it. Give me a second. I'll take it. But I need the link. There we go. I bet. I just attached it. All right, let's get to charting. Now I'm back, bro. Sorry, bro. I was so distracted. All right. I'm uh, honestly. Let's talk about like what just happened today in general, bro. Like, to be honest with you, this morning I was like, okay. You see this test on this pink level right here. This is the weekly level. I think it's the weekly high, if I'm not mistaken, on the bigger time frame. Let me double check. I don't want to bite my tongue, but yeah, it's my weekly high, bro. At my weekly high today, I saw this happen like live this morning when I was trading New York. Look at this wick. Look at this wick touch here to the penny, bro. And then I entered here. I took a quick exit here, and then I think I tried shorting somewhere up here, trying to catch it once it took this liquidity. I was like, okay. I was like, maybe we won't go back up and reach higher just because we were anticipating, a retracement. Yeah, fuck no. There was no retracement, bro. That shit shot straight up. I agree. I think so, but I think I take up too much of my RAM. Yeah, I think it'll slow down like the quality. Cause right now I'm pretty crisp. I'm pretty. You guys could hear me, right? You guys could see me pretty clear. There's like no. There's only maybe a slight lag, right? I would hope. Oh, that's right. Cause you could hear me, right? Yeah. All right. All right. Bet nothing. You don't see what I'm doing. Oh shit. All right. Bet. Let me just go through my charts real quick. Let me chart up because I have not charted, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like today. The whole time? I think so, bro. Weekly. Weekly high. This is just for people's reference. That way they know what my levels are. To be honest with you, I saw a post. I started cracking up about this, bro. I think I told you about it. Um, Somebody once I posted that if you're still using EMA 9 and 21, you must be an astrology girl when they cross. Bro, I lost it. When I saw that post, bro, I was like, dang. I was like, I feel tacked because I use VWAP. I've always had VWAP on my charts since I first started. Like that was like one of the first few things that like I always implemented. Daily high. Damn, forget about this liquidity level down here. Those are my white levels. Mm, but weekly low. I'm trying to hop in super quick. I just gotta. Ah, no, I messed up. Weekly low. All right, I'm just gonna finish up charting up super quick. I still need to do ES on the quicks, but I just kind of want to see what you're seeing. All right, so dang, bro. Honestly, when I switch over to ES, I'm gonna be kind of sad because, like I said, man, that perfect weekly bounce, bro. Look at this, bro, to the penny. And I had seen the divergence between between ES and NQ. I just couldn't justify holding, bro. Like these candles are so small. On the no, this is the weekly high. Yeah, the candle. This is the weekly high on ES. This is the weekly low. I took a mental trade, I think, earlier off open. I was like, I wonder if it'll hold, finish up the move, or if they're gonna leave that for tomorrow and they're just gonna. I have a feeling we're gonna retrace a bit, but then there's also an FEG we just slept. Oh, we didn't even reject it. There's. Are you talking about this 5 minute FEG? Pretty sure. Yeah, the bearish one. No, we haven't even tapped into this area here. I think it'll go higher too. I might go on. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah, yeah. My fault. My fault. Love to everybody, bro. The love from everyone, like watching, like tuning in, bro. I love that, bro. I love it. I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch too. Only thing is that I gotta figure out some of these controls, like with the streaming like software and stuff like that. I'm still trying to figure out the. I'm still trying to figure out. Yeah, just YouTube. Nothing. I can't. I'm not doing anything crazy right now. Not yet, at least. Keyword. Sorry. Oh, did I tell you about those straight to fundeds? That's what I'm on. That's what I got. Yeah, that's what I'm using. I like them, bro. They're sick. Honestly, I fuck with these straight to fundeds from Traderify. Solid, bro. Solid. It's a little choppy. It is slow. I don't really want to force any trades or anything crazy. And I still gotta finish. Oh wait, did I chart? Oh yeah, I finished charting ES. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh no, NQ. I did do NQ. Why do I have still liquidity level? Oh, I just didn't delete it. Um, yeah. Do you think we'll come down and we'll sweep? We'll grab this liquidity down here. All these lows. I can see that. I could definitely see that happening. Yeah, this 22. Yeah, 380s somewhere around that area. I feel like it could come down. It'll grab that. Bro, look at this earlier too. Like earlier, I had the trend the whole way. Look at this trend. Perfect. I caught both of these on the 1 minute. I was like, man, I was like, should I take it? And then I saw this one here. I was like, oh, I was like, I could slightly pull back and just keep chopping and then continue or fully pull back. But I saw the buy side curve. I just didn't execute the way I should have. This is not the market conditions that I'm best at. Oh, this would be a sick little short to take. The risk to reward is pretty nice. On MNQ, yeah, you see the short right here setting up because it can still kind of chop. It, yeah, more than likely. I'm still yeah, pretty much keeping it tight. It would be like the 10 point stop loss for like 21 points. Agreed, it's choppy, and it's kind of hard to justify like a hard short just cause. Well, I don't, you know how that goes. We've been super bullish, 100%. Like the market ever since it rallied, like it bottomed like a few like 2 months ago. Holy shit, man! What a rally! Yeah, bro. March was nuts. March was probably one of the best times, bro. That shit was dude. To think that this kind of retracement happened, people were panicking, selling everything, and then it was just a buying opportunity, literally for generational wealth. Biggest discount, bro. Talk about a discount. Yeah, volume is super low. I do see that. Agreed. Super agree. No, I wanna. Let me see. I'll take a look at it. Bet. I'll pull it up right now. Well, I'm still on it. Oh shit. I was just curious. I'm just. This is just a mental trade for me. Food for thought. Nothing crazy. Volume is super low though. 100% agreed. Like, look at earlier, bro. The amount of volume we had, like, super, super died out. Excuse me. We're just in a. If you look at the bigger time frames too, like on the 1 hour and stuff, we're just in a super big flag, pretty much. Yeah. Oh wait, the hour. We also have this that we could come back. It's a 1 hour. Yeah, that's the one that I'm catching right now. The candle at 10 a.m. this morning. Even the 30 minute, even the 30 minute line one lines up. The 4 hour FEG's already been tapped into. It's just holding above it. So I'd rather trust the 1 minute and then just kind of. Is that perfectly aligned? No way. Damn, exactly 50%. Bro, these comments, bro. I know who's gonna be on my stream soon in the future, bro, for these kind of comments and just to have guests on the stream trade with me. Be the funniest fucking stream in the world. Don't make me do it. Damn, 50% exactly, bro. Do you see this? Like, can you see this like generating liquidity, sweeping, and then fucking popping it back up into tomorrow on the day? Cause as of right now, I mean we're in the biggest 4 hour FEG of my life. Yeah, bro. Look. No, no, no. The biggest 4 hour from back then in back in February, bro. Oh, shit, this is supposed to be right. Yeah, watch. Big, huge, bro. And usually, what happens when we get to 50% of it, right? Gaps can get gaps can get fully taken. They can fully overtaken. They can be used as resistance, support. Big areas of interest. Especially when we gap up and we just continue the trend. Eventually, we come down. We retrace. But now it's kind of making this trade kind of look a little better. Like risk 25 points, 2 to 1. I don't know. It's not. I kind of hate. 380s. You're saying? Oh yeah, that we swept all this. We drop or take it. Interesting. Look, this is a big area of interest. You see this pivot point here, here. I'm gonna leave that intraday level, even though it's already been used as support and everything. It's just because it's a big area of interest. You see how it just keeps touching here? The level of 22,385. Yeah, the 4 hour FEG, 50%. Who knows? Maybe we could just see the final retracement. But then at the same time, the last time I saw this kind of setup, I also saw it on a way bigger time frame, and it did the same thing. Look, Oh, is it actually doing the move without me? I don't know. I have a feel. Watch it sweep this low and not even come down and grab these. I gotta pop up ES. Give me a second. I gotta pop up both. I can't just trade with. I gotta look at both just to make sure. I don't even know if I ended up finishing charting. Oh yeah. Look at the 4 hour one too. We have on ES this 4 hour and a daily FEG up top. But we're due for a retrace unless they just continue to hold price. Damn, is this mental trade really gonna run on me? Dude, that'd be so fucked. This hits PT, bro. I know it's gonna hit PT. Yeah, bro. When you don't take it, it hits it perfectly, and then when you take it, it fucking goes completely opposite against you every time. Oh shit. Yeah, it's swept that. Oh, well, we'll see. I gotta see what's it called? I gotta see what ES is doing too. Yeah, I just gotta be Dude, look at the, bro. Look at this candle wick. That's nuts. It's fucking nuts. A 3-2. Damn, if you would have taken this 3-2-2 strat method. Do you know what the strat method is? Do you guys know what the strat method is? A 3 is like a candle that fully overtook the previous candle. A 2 is an inside candle. Or sorry, a 2 is a candle that slightly came outside at one point, and then a 1 is an inside candle. Like it's inside the previous candle. So here's a 3-2-2. So meaning you would have taken the entry, anything above here, you would have taken this for longs to your whatever your expected target may have been. There's different setups for different time frames, but usually the bigger time frames tend to speak the bigger picture, and they hit, bro. They hit. I've been kind of messing with it a little and like back testing it, and it's actually pretty fucking solid if you stick to like 3 solid setups. This thing actually might sell off, bro. Low key. I see the setup. Like I can't see this holding, bro. Yeah. The only thing that scares me is that we still have this unmitigated FEG up here on the 5 minute. You see it? That's the only. Oh no. Yes. Strap on engulfing candle. What do you mean? No, it's a 5 minute here on ES. I'm talking about ES. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, it's at. Oh yeah, 250. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I thought you were saying 250, like 2.5 for whatever reason. Sorry, my head. Oh, this shit actually might drop. I might actually take it. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. I don't know. It's just hard to try. I don't know. That's it's hard. It's hard. It's yeah, bro. It's like it's not like risk to reward like the day before. You know, like this was like solid, bro. And I only ate on the downside, remember? And then I didn't catch nothing of the upside. And it was so perfect because they swept this liquidity down here, bro. Like that was such a clean trade, bro. If I would have been there for PM session or around lunchtime. All right, looks like ES is going. ES does want to make the move without me. All right, let me see if I could. It's hard to justify, bro. It's hard to justify in this range. I have to see it come down and sweep these lows, which makes sense. I think it is going to. Just the risk to reward. I don't know. It's hard to justify when ES could come down, sweep this, and then pop right back up into this unmitigated 5 minute, and then we're in a range again. We rejected, but yeah, and I agree with someone that commented on the sense about we retrace, and as soon as they find support again, it's gonna rip. everyone's gonna think that's gonna be like the full pullback, you know, especially if they let it drop hot, which can't happen, honestly. All right, I'm back to three charts, bro. I need to be able to see everything. I wish I was playing what's it called? New York Open, because I'd have my other monitor set up with like Nvidia, Apple, you know, all the good tech stocks. I love to have them on the screen and like trade them all in core and this, like if they're all going up, you know, I want to take the trend, you know, I want to go with the trend. Uh, let's see. Low key, I might let this just kind of play out. Let me see what it does. I'm not really gonna try to chase anything or force anything. And just to be on the safe side with everyone that's watching the stream, I will never take a fucking trade. That I won't take the trade. If you don't see me press that button and enter the position, don't take the trade, right? And yes, I have TradingView Premium. You can have up to way more charts, way more indicators. You can have a lot more back testing when you do like replay trading. You can go back further and tap into like the 1 minute instead of like the 5 minute candles, you know, for replay. I personally really like it, in my opinion. These buttons are interesting. Oh shit, I don't even have it connected. I'm gonna have to turn off my thing so I can connect it. Oh my gosh, bro. I can't. Talk about low volume. Watching paint dry, right? Order filled. Say who? Somebody already executed? You think it's a lower high? Oh. Broke out to, you're saying upside? I'm telling you, I think we're still gonna come up here and we're gonna tap into this on ES. Oh shit! I have the 5 minute twice. I should be having the. I should have this on the 5 minute. There we go. That looks way better. I was wondering why that looked weird. I bet. ES is just, this is super slow, bro. Like super slow. I'm not a fan of it. Yeah, there's no news. We see a tweet from Trump. You know what that means. For real. He's saving that shit for tomorrow. You know he's just waiting to wake up tomorrow and go post. Man, you would think that Asia session would, you know, have a little more pickup. But I'm not really, I'm not really seeing anything. Hmm. Uh, let's see. Do you see it kind of generating a flag to downside? Or is it just me? Yeah. I saw your trend line right now as well. Uh, it's lined up in support? Yeah. Oh shit, yeah, I see it. Yeah, well, to be fair, it also could come up and sweep, like I said, if I see the trend line that you see though. It's even pretty solid on the. That was a horrible line. As in like huge or like choppy, honey ass. Let me see. Yeah, these are ugly. Dude, I'm telling you, I feel like this is gonna come down. I see it setting up. I really don't think this is gonna hold. If it does, it's just gonna pop up, sweep, and then it'll fucking probably come back down. I'm just curious. I'll probably take this. Oh, shit. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about the mic. Technical difficulties. Uh, someone said that the audio is super low. I wonder if it's because I keep stepping away from the mic, or if I should turn up the volume a little bit. Let me know if this is good for you guys. I'm gonna turn it up just a little more, just to see if that helps. Let's see. Let's try. Is this a little better for you guys now? Can you guys hear it better? Hopefully this is a little better. Can you guys let me know if my audio is good? Sometimes I don't. Is it a little better? I could turn it up a little more. It's not echoing though, right? It's echoing. Oh, okay, but thank. All right, thank God. No more echo. Is that a little better? I think this should. I think this would probably be my best audio settings, honestly, as long as there's no echo. I think this is pretty solid. Let me see if I turn up the volume a little bit on my mic. This should be, yeah, this is better. I can already tell. It's already hitting my my yellow area. On my mic settings. Good catch on that trend line. All right. Everyone's saying it's better, so that's good. I have a feeling we sweep, we come back up, we come back down. You know why I'm saying, right? I feel like they're gonna hold price up here and finish the move. Look at this rip. Look at them bigger. Look at like ES for example, on this bigger time frame. We made a huge reversal after, right? And then if you zoom in here on this one, look, rip, generate all this liquidity, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, swept here, right, higher. It kind of looks just like what we did today. If you look at it on the 15-minute time frame, same thing, ripped, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and now same thing again, generating liquidity once more. So we'll see. This looks like it could chop 1, 2, 3, then rip. Yeah, these wicks on ES are horrible, bro. Dang. Honestly, this unmotivates it so much to wanna take a trade. I'm not gonna force something. Even playing like light sizing like 5 MNQs, like I really can't justify that. Look at this. I still like these shorts too, bro. Yeah, I don't want to be stuck in a trade and let it run like that forever. Bro, the comments and the stuff that people say, bro. Jeez, bro. This Asia session sucks. Yesterday, bro. It was so funny. Like I called it yesterday. I was like, watch how this is gonna tap right into my target. I was trading this yesterday on. Oh no, I was trading on an NQ. Oops, sorry. Yesterday was pretty good. One trade, $300, stress free. Pulled back, gave me my profit. It was what it was. But here, let's see. Look at this yesterday. Where was it? Yeah, it was right here. Pretty sure. Or was it? No, it was right here. I caught it like right here, bro. Somewhere right here, I think. If I'm not mistaken. And then I caught the rip up. I hate how it's just chopping around. Oh, the other thing that I don't like is how it's chopping around VWAP. Anytime that we're around VWAP, I really hate to push it. Just because it could just bounce around that area, and I'm not really looking forward to sticking around watching it chop for 6 hours. Is it just me or did this thing just create like the strongest support around this area, right? Around like the 390s, right? Yeah. And ES has two perfect equal lows. Look at this. Perfect equal lows. We have one at 830 and then we have another one at 850. I'm gonna let this kind of do its thing, kind of tap into an FEG. I really don't want to force anything, and I can almost see this coming back up to here. But then at the same time, we can just come down, sweep, and then come back up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, for sure manipulation. Just chop. That's all. Oh, you're seeing the move go to the upside. You're yeah. With having these two equals here, I feel like we still have to come sweep. These equals are like, yeah, no here on ES. Well, at the top two, technically there's equals at the top two, yeah. And ironically, I think that's the area where, yeah, that's an area where we'd approach ES. Like if you were to take a long, it'd be like this right now, but VWAP is like right there, and obviously you're gonna target these highs. You're gonna target this one, right? You'll target this one. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna take out all of them now. You know, you have all these areas of liquidity here. You see, that's a pretty good R to R. 2 to 1. That's okay. I really like those 3 to 1. Marlboro Rojo. I like that. Let me play that. It's so slow and so choppy, fam. And by the way, Malboro Rojo, that's my song. If I don't see like a type of movement or like a rejection around VWAP area, or at least some type of something stepping in, this volume just keeps dying out, bro. Look at this dead volume the whole way through. Is the music loud in the background? Yo yo. I don't really see anything yet, honestly. My liking. But no, actually, I was gonna dude. I'm still telling you, I still see this downside. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like I just kind of want to let one just kind of like run, like let like 5 MNQs or something. Like, what's the worst that could happen? I get stopped off for like maybe minus 10 points or something like that. You know? If I don't see anything move, I probably won't be on much longer, honestly. Just because if it's dead volume like this and we're not really getting any movement, I'd rather not force any trades or take something that just isn't worth it, you know? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm seeing too. There's an FVG. There's an FVG even lower. Is that the same FVG that you have? Is it the 1 hour one? Yeah, a big, way bigger time frame both leg. Oh, that's a 15. What? Did I miss that one completely? Oh shit, yeah. Oh dang. Alright. Why do you say that? Just because of the big bull flag that we're in, and we just keep making higher highs, higher lows. I mean. Yeah, that's what I mean. Both perfect bull flag on the 5 minute and 15. Let me take a look at it. Yeah, you see it. It's huge too. It's almost too perfect. What time frame was that you sent me that in? What? That was 15 minutes, right? Oh shit, yeah. What? I have it set to red. How did that happen? So, less. Damn, you're right. This is just clean, clean, clean flag. Everybody knows. Everybody, yeah, I know. It'll tap into it. I feel like, or you think it'll probably like finish up the move up here. The only thing is that I'm scared about is like it'll form the flag. I know that it'll form the flag, but leaving all these lows behind, eventually when it gets here, it'll come down and grab all the liquidity, either bounce here or come all the way down here just to stop out everyone. Because it would still be valid. Look, even if it made a newer low, this low is still valid. You know what I'm saying? And it can still go higher versus if it were to just do the flag to upside though. You're saying upside. Yeah. This down the downside move is setting up now. 1 to 5 hour. I still see us kind of sweeping down here, bro. Like a little. Well, here's the shorts kicking. Some 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 volume just kicked in, bro. I mean, this is clearly downside, bro. I don't think it's just gonna sweep and then go back up. Let's see. ES is about to do the same, probably. So we'll see right now how it reacts. I don't know. I kind of hate trading in that range, bro. I kind of gotta see a move, a retrace, a hold, generate a bit more liquidity. Like if I were to take this right now, like I can't justify personally like me taking like here, even if you put it like at the highs right here, right? Like 10 points. Like this is only 10 points. Like how much are you planning on catching to the downside? You know, doesn't make sense. You're playing completely against FEG. But now if it came down here, now we're talking. But I can't really see that happening. Yeah, some volume stepped in from sellers. Yeah. Did you see like the biggest area of interest too? Like our biggest area of interest on the 5 minute, using the um like the volume bar, bro. It's pretty aggressive down here at 22,300s, which is where we generated all the liquidity today. That makes sense. But I can also see it coming here. There's some volume here, a lot of volume here, and a lot of volume here. Let me see on the 1 minute. Yeah, same thing. Oh, you couldn't hear? Oh, on stream on fine, but on this one it sucks. Oh. Do you want to just let me call you? Just be on the call thing instead of like Discord, so that way we don't have any lag. Give me just a sec. Oh yeah. I might be getting done here pretty soon too, honestly. Just because I really don't wanna. Yeah, dude, anything that I take right now will completely get reversed. it's so, it's so choppy. All right, but sounds good, bro. I'll let you know. I'm gonna set my alerts. I'll probably set an alerts like for the range, just to see where it'll end up taking out anything. You're gonna stay up until midnight to to catch this long. Me at 2 a.m. catching a trade. Me at 2 a.m. when I can't sleep. I didn't know watching Painter I could pay so much. Different. For real. At this point, honestly, yeah, bro. Remember, there's no plan C. Plan B is going with the big dogs. Yeah. I'll probably go there for like another 10 minutes, bro. If anything else, I'll let you know if I see anything, bro. Bet. Have a good night. That sounds good, bro. Love to have you. It'll be dope. We got more sets of eyes. Alright, bro. Stay smooth, bro. Also, to whoever's watching, if you guys got any questions, I'm probably gonna do this for another like 10 minutes or so. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade, honestly. This is not proper trading conditions, and there's no reason to force a trade. Even if I see a move or I see it pop up, I'm not going to. The biggest takeaway that I would take from today is just learning how to sit on your hands. Reason number one, right? We're in a bull flag, right? You could have taken a trade at these lows, held, but it would have retraced back. Maybe your stop loss is at break even, but you know that on the bigger time frame, on the 15-minute, right? If I were to turn off all my drawings, oh shit, all my drawings, right? You can clearly see we're in a flag, right? And we're just chopping here. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag. Question is, how much will it retrace? 1 hour FEG. I kind of like that, where it could come down, tap into this, and then finish its move to the upside to tap into everything else. But honestly, like I said, I don't wanna force anything. This could end up completely reversing on me, or it could come up, sweep, hit VWAP, then come back down, or fully reverse right here into this. Look at that. You would have taken shorts and fallen for that right away. Back up to your stop loss. This flag is looking pretty good though. Dang. I don't wanna be stuck in a trade for 2-3 hours. good, honestly. Yeah, I won't play inside that range. Honestly, that's not my way to go. Same thing. I'm still seeing this same, you know, sell off here. Yes, setting up that same retracement that I really like, right at that 50%, retracement area. I'd be interested to see what this does overnight, just to kind of set my alarms, let it do its thing. Somebody said, somebody said it hit the Dougie. You're hilarious, bro. Hit the ducky. I hate this kind of chop. This is not my ideal conditions. Being inside a massive 4-hour FEG. I'm surprised you couldn't even see this on the weekly, which is kind of surprising. Not being able to see that on the weekly time frame, which makes sense. Now we have a full inversion of this weekly. Fully inversed, actually. Oh, actually, the daily does have this. I lied. We're over the daily one. That's way better. It's still ginormous. Sweat. Now that I'm seeing this a little bit better, let me just pop up some clean charts real quick. Yeah, strong daily. I didn't even see that. It's alright. Like I said, I won't force anything. It doesn't look like it has a nice win rate or a high win ratio, high win RR factor. I'm not a fan of this. We're right at this all-time highs. And on ES, we haven't tapped into it, but we will. I'm gonna call it a night for tonight, you guys. Don't really see anything price action wise. I'm not a fan of this price action, and like I said, I won't take a trade and won't ask you guys to take a trade if I'm not seeing anything that I like as well. If anything, we'll be back at it tomorrow, you guys. So I'll be tomorrow. Sorry about being late today for a stream. Had some technical difficulties, but we'll be back at it tomorrow. Same time, 8 p.m. Central Time. And thank you very much to everyone.